Hi, my name is Goodluck. In today's video, I will walk you through on how to solve this exponential equation given to us. It's very simple. Just watch through and make sure you watch the end of the video for you to see how this equation was solved. The first thing we do here is that we are going to express 10 as a product of its factor, and also we express 4 as the power of its base. So we have that this will be 2 times 5 all to the power of x times 5 to the power of 2x minus 2 times 2 to the power of 2 x minus 1, everything equal to 1. So we know that from product power law that A multiplied by B all to the power of n is equal to A to the power of n times B to the power of n. So if we apply that in our equation, we have that 2 to the power of x times 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of 2x minus 2 times 2. If I use the index of 2 to open up the bracket, I will have 2x minus 2 equal to 1. We have 2 and 2 here as basis, and we have 5 and 5 here as basis. So therefore, we have to apply the multiplication law of indices, which states that when we have 2 equal base, then we add up the powers. So at this point, I'm going to have 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of 2x minus 2 times 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of 2x minus 2 equal to 1. So if we add up the index, we have 2 to the power of x plus 2x minus 2 times 5 to the power of x plus 2x minus 2 equal to 1. So at this point, I'm going to have that 2 to the power of 3x minus 2 times 5 to the power of 3x minus 2 equal to 1. Again, if we check out here, we are able to have different bases, but we have the same power. Also, we know that from our product power law, if I have A to the power of n times B to the power of n, this can be expressed as A multiplied by B all to the power of n. So if we apply that in our left hand side, we have 2 times 5 all to the power of 3x minus 2 equal to 1. So our equation becomes 10 to the power of 3x minus 2 equal to 1. Now at this point, we have to bring about our knowledge of logarithm. I have a video on logarithm which, if you watch it, you'll be able to understand what I just did here. So if we take the log of both sides, we have that log of 10 to base 10 is just the power of 3x minus 2 equal to log of base 10 to 1. So if that is true, we are going to apply a logarithm law that says that when we have an index and a logarithm, it will multiply the logarithm. So this will be 3x minus 2 log 10 to base 10 equal to log 1 to base 10. We know that log 1 to base 10 is equal to 0 and log 10 to base 10 is equal to 1. So therefore, I will have that 3x minus 2 all multiplied by 1 because log 10 to base 10 is 1 equal to 0. So I will have that 3x will be equal to 2 if I move my negative 2 to the right hand side. So therefore, x will be equal to 2 divided by 3. This is our answer. You see, it's very simple. We went from indices and we came to logarithm. If you have found value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe on the video and also like this video. And if you have any question, drop your question at the comment section. I'm going to be privileged to answer your question. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Thank you.